Gang, top stocks now, baby. Let's get it. In today's video, guys, I'll be covering the top stocks traded on the US stock market today. No BSing. Smash that like and hit that subscribe, baby. Let's get right into it. Here's tradingview.com. Here are the top 10, 25, 50 top stocks in the US stock market today. Okay, stocks that have been traded the most. So essentially, we're looking for high volume. GRTX is our candidate up here. We're gonna knock that one out first. Okay, so we're gonna do probably 5 of them here. GRTX is the first one here. SEAC, we're gonna jump right down to that one. The reason I'm gonna skip some of these SQQQ, okay, guys, it's an ETF. We're not gonna look to trade that. Is very volatile and it decays over time, so I would not recommend that. I don't recommend any of these, not financial advice. Apple, we're gonna stay away from Apple. Apple is just fairly straightforward, blue chip, and then Ford Motor, kind of the same thing there. So we're gonna focus more on penny stocks, and of course we're gonna get AMC in there, baby. So GRTX, SEAC, AMC. Let's do Lucid, and let's bang out NIO, baby, for the NIO Bulls. All right, let's get into it. GRTX is the first one here. GRTX actually traded this today. This thing woke up a few times on me today. Unfortunately, the trades that I took lost. No big deal. I come on lost this quick. But all day, guys, kind of just sat in this. We kept reforming this falling wedge pattern. Okay, so this stock opened up very hot this morning, and this is the 1-minute chart. This stock was opening up very hot this morning. Intraday, it kept breaking some significant lows, ultimately forming this bullish pattern here. Had a few pops today. Okay, a couple breakouts, but the really the major one I'm gonna highlight is this one that happened in the after hours today. So this is actually the after hours session here. Let me change my settings so you guys can see that. All right, so you can see we've noted here after hours session today. So after hours, it kind of like, again, it kind of formed like this bullish pattern again, and then it just broke out once more. Nice rip in the after hours there. It's still looking pretty bullish. I'm gonna keep my eyes on GRTX for tomorrow. Definitely don't want to break this low of day. Okay, so when we're watching this tomorrow, I don't want to break about that 245, 246 price level. Okay, next one, baby. SEAC, let's get it. SEAC, okay. So this one, yeah, guys, a lot of these I'm freshly charting, right? So we're gonna do the whole top-down analysis, right? We're gonna come out to the daily, take a look at some things. Not seeing anything significant, perhaps a trend line that we are rejecting. Okay, interim right there. So this could be a pretty significant break here for this company. Let's hit the all-time chart here. Yeah, that's a fairly significant trend line you guys can see here. I don't know how far back it spans, but it definitely spans back a few years at the very least, back to like 2013. Okay, so pretty significant there. Dialing in back to the chart here. So here's more of the interim price movement here. Okay, again, blue teal bars here is denoting after hours. They're actually kind of loud right now. Let's modify that. So this one's moving kind of goofy. I don't have any clear bullish structure identified necessarily. I am looking for possibly a breakout in the price action here. So a nice little trend line breakout here, perhaps more interim. But right now, it's just kind of moving a little goofy right now. It's trading in a little bit of a range. Arguably, there's some higher lows today that formed, so that's a good sign. But nonetheless, I'll probably keep my eyes on this, but I'm probably going to stay away from it until it does something that looks a little more attractive for me, okay? AMC, baby. AMC to the moon, baby. This thing has been taking an absolute dump. Oh, my goodness gracious. This thing is getting absolutely murdered. But when in doubt, baby, zoom out, all right? I zoomed out, and I'm still in doubt. Damn, this thing got demolished, son, demolished. Now, I still think we are in a potential falling wedge nonetheless. Okay, I ain't freaking out about it. I'm just snapping about it. You know, it's funny because I happened to buy AMC. I did buy AMC. I'm actually down a little bit. I bought AMC, and then like a day later it broke its like 6-month low. Okay, so sometimes it just goes to show that the stock market be like that. So it is what it is. Right now we had a clear bounce today. Strong volume supporting that bounce. Let's dial into the 5-minute here. Kind of highlight today's action a little bit more. So we started off actually pretty aggressively. Okay, we kind of love tapped about $20 today, and then we finally had a nice recovery, kind of just cruised up and up all day. Things looking pretty bullish. I'm excited for AMC, perhaps even, you know, a slight ascending triangle to complement that. Okay, so let's get it, baby. All right, so we got two more guys. We're gonna knock out Lucid and NIO, so two EV companies. So Lucid's actually looking pretty good. I think it's actually breaking out right now. Let me explain to you why. So when we come out to the 4-hour chart here, first of all, cup and handle perhaps on Lucid here, right? Cup is what I'm seeing right here, and then perhaps we are in the handle phase, which ultimately, right, is going to take us to the moon, baby. So we're going to keep our eyes on that. Now, while we're in this handle phase, I'm going to keep my eye on some things. Now, right now, we are showing clear signs of a handle being formed. In my opinion, things are looking pretty good, and I do think more interim. We did have a nice little price action reversal here, nice little breakout play today, so things looking pretty good. Volume wasn't really there today to support it, at least according to tradingview.com, but that was a nice pop today we saw on Lucid. I think things are going to start continuing up. It wouldn't surprise me if Lucid does have a little bit of a cool down tomorrow. Don't be scared, but I think ultimately, guys, we heading up, baby. Again, of course, pending market conditions. NIO, man, what you know about NIO, man? NIO, I love NIO, man. You want to see how much? See that bag? Wait. Oh, double take. NIO bag right there. NIO day's coming up. I'm pumped up. I ain't going, but I'm fired up for the company. Let's go, baby. Yeah, NIO. I think things look okay. I'm getting a little nervous here. Let me show you why. Okay. I'm bullish on NIO nonetheless. Fundamentally, phenomenal company. Guys, are we in a falling wedge or is this a descending triangle? Okay, likely it's probably more bullish than bearish in my opinion. It's just a little oversold, you know, looking at the RSI too. Okay, I thought we were looking at the RSI. Whoa, what? So the RSI is actually pretty low right now. We're in an overbought state, sitting at about a 30 something, low 30s it looks like on the RSI. So things looking pretty good, and this is the 4-hour chart. Again, be weary of that potential descending triangle pattern that may be forming, but I think it's more of a bull pennant, maybe falling wedge. So I think things are looking good for NIO. It's actually getting near a buy for me. I need confirmation of a bounce right now. I think right now we're looking for that double bottom play, right? And we're also looking for higher lows off the double bottom to help confirm that bounce. So I'm looking for a buy here really soon for NIO. And dang, those are your top 5 stocks, baby. You already know what it is. You better smash that like, baby, and hit that subscribe button. Guys, if you want to support the channel more, check out that Patreon page. Plenty of perks. I got you hooked up, baby. Free Discord, and we have a free Twitter and Instagram. Go ahead and follow those, baby. I love to have you. Gang, enjoy the rest of your week. I'll see you in the next video, and happy trading.